Drone Seeker is a drone detection solution using our transceivers and equipment. We can put them up around in a stadium and we can monitor the kind of the space outside the stadium for signals from drones, signals from drone remote controls, allowing us to not only pinpoint where the pilot is, but to identify what type of drone it is and track the drone's flight path and see where it goes. And from that we can make some informed decisions and let security know, you know, we need to worry about this drone, or this drone is just a hobby drone outside. But we're particularly looking at, you know, things being smuggled into venues via drone, or particularly, you know, hostile reconnaissance, you know, bad actors trying to do something, you know, to affect an event. So hopefully we're a bit of an early warning system protecting your airspace. There's very few, if any, people delivering us to the events industry in the UK at the moment. So we're really new. Our key USP, if you like, is we can detect all types of drone. So it's not just one specific manufacturer. We can find any drone and we'll know what type it is. And even if it's a homemade drone or a new drone, we can add it to our drone DNA database so we can find it in future. So it's a fast moving place, but we're ahead of the curve and ready to deliver a solution. Recently CP&I have released a report following the incident at Gatwick, where they've recommending is the wrong word, but they've certainly graded the type of drone detection software and what it should be capable of. And our manufacturers, D-Drone, who make our equipment, have come in at level 3, which means we're a multi-sensor solution. So it's not just using RF and Wi-Fi, but we're also able to use radar. We can plug CCTV in, so we can cover the full spectrum of ways to identify a drone attack.